With Intuit Accountant Suite, you can create chart of accounts templates and then apply them to your client's chart of accounts to set them up quickly and give them a standard set of accounts. Let's go over how to set up a template for the chart of accounts and apply it to a client's QuickBooks company. Select My Menu, COA Templates. Then, create a template. Choose the type of business you want to create a template for, or start with a blank template. Select Next. Name the template. If you use account numbers, toggle them on. Lock accounts to make them unselectable from drop-downs in forms and transactions for all users. You can turn this off at any time. To set up a new account, select Add Account or New Account. Then name it. Select the account type and a detail type. If you'd like more detailed reporting for the account, select Add New Subaccount. Then name the subaccount. Select the detail type. The account type automatically fills in. Select this button to delete an account. Note that if you delete a parent with subaccounts, you'll also delete the subaccounts. When you're done setting up the accounts you want this kind of business to have, select Finish. Select the Action drop-down and then Edit if you need to change a template. Note that editing the template won't affect companies you've already applied the template to. You can also duplicate or delete templates from here. Now let's apply the template to a client's QuickBooks. Select Apply Template. Select a client. Applying the template adds all of the accounts and sub-accounts from the template onto their company's chart of accounts. Note that this process will not delete any accounts already on their chart of accounts. If they already have an account with the same name as an account on the template, QuickBooks will keep the account they already have. If you'd like to customize any accounts for the client you're applying it to, you can make changes here. Select Apply. Now you're ready to set up a chart of accounts template and apply it to your client's QuickBooks companies.